Hello everyone, welcome to DXOMARK's YouTube channel. I'm Anvesha and I'm going to talk to you about the cameras on Oppo's latest flagship smartphone, the Find X2 Pro. Oppo is known for its mobile imaging and the Find X2 Pro follows in this tradition. The hardware specs on the Oppo Find X2 Pro are quite impressive. It has a triple camera setup that runs on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 865 chipset. The primary camera features a 48-megapixel quad-Bayer sensor that channels light through a 26mm equivalent lens with a fast f1.7 aperture lens. The ultra-wide camera's focal length is 16mm. The telecamera has optical image stabilization. The device shoots 4K video at 60 frames per second with HDR. Now let's see how the cameras performed. The Oppo Find X2 Pro camera delivers very good target exposures across all light levels. Dynamic range is also wide. The phone deals well with challenging high-contrast scenes. It captures good detail in both the highlight and shadow regions of the frame. Color is another of the camera's strengths. Images have good saturation and accurate white balance in bright outdoor conditions. The Oppo camera manages a good balance between retention of detail and noise management in all light conditions. But while the level of detail is good, it is not as high as on the Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro, as you can see in these photos. The Oppo preserves less detail in the fine texture of the stone than the Xiaomi, but it just edges out the iPhone 11 Pro Max. The Find X2 Pro's ultra-wide camera offers a 16mm focal length, which is in line with some competitors but not one of the widest out there. Overall, the Oppo ultra-wide performs very well in most conditions. The camera zoom was generally good, but some artifacts were seen at 2.5x through 5x. In this example at 5x zoom, we can see good detail in the middle of the image, but the flag displays some ghosting and loss of resolution. For bokeh, the camera did a good job of isolating the subjects. Few depth estimation artifacts were seen on complex elements such as hair. In outdoor scenarios, the blur intensity was not very strong as seen in these close-up examples. At the center of the frame, the Oppo delivers the best sharpness and cleanest image. The Xiaomi is not far off, but the Apple image is noticeably less detailed. The Find X2 Pro delivers one of the best performances for the night category we have seen so far. Night cityscape images shot with the flash switched off show good exposure and color, but a slight loss of detail can be visible. In these examples, you can see that the Mi 10 Pro delivers the brightest exposure and slightly better detail than the Oppo. But overall, the Find X2 Pro does very well in this scene. The iPhone image is noticeably less saturated and shows more noise. The device also offers a dedicated night mode, but it doesn't really offer an improvement over the default settings. As you can see in these night mode samples, contrast is unnaturally low and especially the subject's face looks very flat when compared to the Xiaomi and iPhone. On the plus side, the Oppo's noise levels can be lower than in standard mode. The Oppo's video stabilization is among the best we have seen, but some exposure instabilities in HDR scenes were visible. These are often noticeable as a kind of blinking effect in the sky. The iPhone 11 Pro Max shows a similar effect. The pros include accurate target exposure and wide dynamic range, pleasant and vivid colors, fast and accurate autofocus, excellent video stabilization. The cons are slight lack of detail in ultra-wide shots, occasional exposure instabilities in video. The Oppo Find X2 Pro earned an overall DXOMARK score of 124, with 134 in photo and 104 in video. To sum up, the Oppo Find X2 Pro delivers an extremely solid performance across the board. and is unlikely to disappoint. Check out our reviews on DXOMARK.com and subscribe for more videos.